slightly far from home. It is now 7:03, March 14, 2017, and in case you couldn't tell, the sun has set 5 minutes ago, somewhere right behind me. And this is perfect drone flying weather, as you can tell. And with that in mind, I'm proposing the quest for drone acquisition. And what do I mean exactly by that? Well, I'll tell you. There we go, free light. So with that, as soon as I've uploaded 100 videos or got, say, 100,000 views in total, whichever comes first, I'm gonna guess it's the former. I'll give myself permission to procure a drone. The question is, which drone will it be? That is in fact a fairly good question. I have a bit of an idea, but I think I'm gonna just leave it as a surprise, and then I can do some sort of video surrounding said drone acquisition. Let's hope that wasn't too close to my face. I think it will be. And of course, I'm wearing my Team Canada baseball toque. Team Canada went 0-3 at the World Baseball Classic this year. Safe to say, baseball is maybe not our forte. We still have hockey for that, but maybe in 2021 we can pick up a win, potentially. Let's play Guess the Visibility. My guess, 200 meters, maybe 400. And we'll just have to, well, actually I'll check online. So I just heard a plane go by overhead. I'm guessing flights are drastically delayed, if not totally canceled. I'm flying out of Montreal, so I'm going to check the Flight Radar 24 app and see what it was. And the answer, Montreal to San Salvador. So apparently they are taking off, probably delayed. But anyway, I'm guessing people on that plane and others going south are fairly happy to be on their way out. The question is, do you wear a winter coat to the airport or not when you're taking a flight down south in this weather? Day 35. I'm surviving, barely. Sign of life. He's walking away. 30 long days. I'm almost home. I can't feel my face. I've grown old. Still perfect weather for flying drones. Today, the sidewalk is the road.